How to plant and grow parsley from seeds. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So we have our parsley seed right here, and we're gonna start our seeds and then plant it in this container. I have my seed starting mix in the container already, and I have another video that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix. So we're just gonna plant just a few. We're not gonna plant all of it. Then maybe we can next year we can plant the rest, or we can plant it later on. So we're just gonna sprinkle the seeds in the container like that. It's fine. You don't need to push it down or do anything. You just sprinkle it in the container like that. Then we're just gonna water it. So after sprinkling the seeds, this amount of seeds we want to start in this container, we're just gonna put the seeds away, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna water it. I have a watering can, but I'm gonna show you how you can. If you don't have a watering can, you can use a bottle like this and just use a nail and make a couple of holes on the top, and you can use it to water your seedlings or your seeds in the container like that. And it's very easy. Okay, this is it after more than a month. It's grown. I completely forgot to transplant it to a different container, so we're gonna transplant these seedlings into a bigger container where it's gonna grow, and we're gonna be able to at least have it grow there and start harvesting it in a different or separate container. What you need is a container, a bigger container, and you also need potting mix. So I have a video that shows you how you can make your own potting mix, and I'm just gonna put the link to that in the description below. And also you want to make sure that the container has a hole at the bottom for drainage. So this is my potting mix in the container already. So we're gonna start planting. Planting this or transplanting this, you want to make sure that you just bury the roots. You want to make a little hole and just bury the roots into it, and you want to give it a little bit of space. I should be able to plant about 6 in this container over here. So you want to give it a little bit of space from each order, so that way they're going to be able to grow. The leaves are going to be able to grow and expand. So like I said, we're just going to make a little hole so that we can bury the roots completely like that. And then that's it for that one. So we're just going to plant the rest of them in the container. Let me know in the comments below if you've grown parsley before, and if you intend to grow it this year, or if you're growing it this year. Just let me know in the comments below. And if you have other tips and ideas on how you grow parsley, just let me know in the comments below. So like you see this, I'm just transferring it with the soil, so that way it doesn't disturb the roots that much. So if you can't do that, that's fine. If you cannot, just that's fine. It's fine too. Just make sure you water immediately after you transplant it, and it should be able to continue growing. So I'm just gonna transplant the rest of them, and then we're just gonna let it grow, and hopefully we're gonna be able to start harvesting some herbs this summer in a couple of weeks. So we're almost done with that. This is the last ones that we're doing right now. We're just gonna transplant them, and like I said, you just want to make sure that they have enough space between them, and also depends if you're gonna harvest them frequently, then you don't need too much space. But if you're not gonna harvest them frequently, then you want to make sure that they have enough space for the leaves and the little branches to expand and to be able to grow, and also make sure that it has enough nutrients for them in the container. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That's the only way I know that you guys are interested in my videos and you're interested in watching more videos. So please subscribe. Okay, we're done. So we're just watering it now, and we're just gonna put it in a nice sunny location, and we should be good to go. You just want to make sure that you water it regularly, You want to water it regularly, and it should be all set. So that is it. Okay, this is it. It's been like a couple of weeks since we transplanted it. As you can see, the leaves are all they're coming out well, so they're good. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.